Packing Hi guys, I'm packing out the video. Didn't enjoy the day, so thumbs up at the video. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be opening these mystery balls, I guess. These little mystery toys, and these are toilet ninjas. Thought was very fitting. Well, I didn't think it was fitting. My husband thought it was fitting because he's like, you're a ninja, you're always on the toilet. And I was like, that is allegedly, okay? Allegedly. I'm always on the toilet. But yeah, TMI. I mean, who doesn't use the toilet every day, right? Anyways, when you gotta go, you gotta go. Anyways, as a disclaimer, you will be seeing two sets of hands in this video. Well, my hands, but one hand is all done in this glitter jelly poly gel, which is super cute. Like the camera for some reason can't focus on it, which is why I didn't get to film a video on it yet, but I will be doing an unboxing. If it's not already up, I will put the link in the description eventually. And this hand is my mom hand. It has no nails, so this is like my fancy side, and this is my practical side because this hand needs to wipe my baby's butt. I mean, we're talking toilet ninjas here, so we can talk about that kind of stuff, right? Anyways, I have 5 here to unbox, and these are just so cute. I love all things ninja. And let's just take a look at the packaging really quick. So there's a little ninja for the O. This is so cute. Everything is super cute. They have like chase editions, and they have like super rare ones. My husband is like wishing and praying for like some golden toilet ninja. I don't know what that is, but there's also this toilet paper roll down here that tells you how to open them. I don't know if it'll be possible with my nail. This side is super short. It's starting. I just have to get a good hold on it. Okay. Why is this so much harder than expected? Alright, there we go. I just needed to get some. Nope, that was not anything. Just a piece of plastic. Ugh. And this is why I usually don't do unboxings, because it just takes me forever. Like, things that shouldn't be hard, I make them look really hard. So, yeah. Okay, I think I got some sort of something going on here. No, I didn't. Okay. Let me get this started and I'll be right back. Okay, I got it started. Finally. Okay, you know what I'll do? I will open all the wrappers up. So that way it doesn't take too long, and then we'll open all 5 up together. Okay, be right back. Okay, and we're back. We have 1, 2, 3, it's just rolling all over the place. 3, 4, and 5 toilet ninjas to open up. Which one should we open up first? Okay, it's rolling everywhere. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Put in the comment box down below which ones you'll think we'll get. Will we get a rare chase? Will we get the golden ultimate rare ones? Who knows? So my husband wants like the green rare ones and the gold one. I don't even know how to open these bowls. Do you just twist? Okay. Let's see. I really don't know, like they twist. Oh, so I'm having so many problems today. Okay, just stay there, bowls. This. No. Okay. Focus, camera. Why is it so hard to open? Alright, let me try to open this off camera, and then I'll film the other ones. Okay, I didn't know if I just squeezed it and then it popped open. Why did I make it look so hard? Ooh, what's this one? Let's see. So this is what comes inside. It has this little pamphlet. This one. Oh, he's holding like a sword or some kind of stick. Oh, he's holding a plunger. That is so cute. Sorry, baby. Apparently, my husband said that one was hyper rare, and my baby gets angry when people get too excited. So don't want that. So here is what the pamphlet looks like here, and let's see. Oh, it is a hyper rare one. This one, right?
Yep.
Wow. You're welcome, honey. Okay. I thought it was just a common, but it is the hyper rare one. Super cool. And he also wants like this gold, one of these gold ones. Anyways, they tell you the odds of which ones are commons, which ones are rare, which ones are hyper rare, which ones are, there's like a glow in the dark. They're just so cute. Is this focused? Let's see. Okay. Anyways, each ball comes with this same pamphlet. So yeah, cool. That was already a success. Yeah, look how cute. Oh, okay. So there's that. Let's open the next one. Oh, you just squeeze them. Pop them out. This one. I can't tell what it is. You want, okay.
You want to fish it yourself?
Alright. I really don't know what this is and I don't want to open them. So what is this, orange? Baby, what color is this?
Red, orange, and yellow.
It's red, orange, and yellow apparently. Let's look at the pamphlet one more time. Because I don't know which one that is. No, it doesn't look like any of those guys. Oh, it's this one. Let's see if we can see. 1 out of 18. Oh, it's a chase. I think it's a chase, right? Is it this little orange dude reading a newspaper? I don't know. I would assume that's what this is. Can't really see that well, huh? I will ask my husband when he gets back in. But I think that was a chase. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments down below. Let's get on to our next one. Okay. Squeeze them, pop them open. This one looks like a common, right? Just little ninja on the toilet reading a magazine. I believe this is a common. Let's see. Here we go. It's backwards. This one, right? 1 out of 12. Common. Alright.
You want to do it yourself?
Here you go, baby.
You want to do it?
Here you go, you can do it. Just give him all the balls to play with. I was like, oh, we have 2 more. Okay. Right, let's see what's next. Squeezing. Oh, sometimes. There we go. Okay, what do we have? Looks like another ninja.
Are you going to feel yourself?
Alright. On a toilet, but
Mom?
I can't tell what this is. Is he holding anything? No. There's something back here. Let's refer to the sheet again. Looks like this guy here. And that is a super common 1 out of 9. Okay. Oh, it's a little bonsai tree in the background of the toilet. That's cute. And he's meditating. These are so cute. Why did I not think of this? These are so cute. Okay. So cute. Okay.
It's a robot.
Oh, these are ninjas, baby.
These are ninjas.
Yeah, here, you can play with those. Alright, last one, guys. I'll just keep this here so we can reference it. Why is so hard to open?
Alright,
there we go. Alright, almost done, baby. My producer is telling me that I'm done filming, but I'm not. So this looked like the white one, which is also holding a plunger, but I think this one is a common. Let's see. Yeah, this guy here, right? He is a common 1 out of 12. So we got, what was it? We got 1 super common, 1 super rare, 1 out of 36. We got 2 commons, and I think we got 1 chase.
The ninjas are on the party.
Yeah, the ninjas are on the party, you're right. Alright, I'll just show you them one by one more time. Here's our black ninja holding a plunger. Oh, bless you. Cover your mouth, please. Thank you. Here is our meditating ninja on a toilet with a bonsai tree. That's next.
Toilet.
Yeah, here is our ninja reading a magazine or a book on the toilet. So cute.
Triceratops.
These make excellent, things to put on the back of your toilet. Here is the one that I still cannot tell what it is, but it's the only orange one. What is this? Is this even a ninja? What the heck is this? Wait a minute. This isn't even a ninja. Did they mess up? This looks like a monster's face. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Is this eyeballs and monster teeth? This looks like a Pokemon. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this not? What the heck is this? I thought it was this guy, but it's not. I think they messed up on the packaging. Unless this is like a super rare, which I don't think so. Oh, this is the cool one. Huh, interesting. I think that's why I didn't recognize it. I don't think my husband will be happy about that. Doesn't this look like a Pokemon? What is going on? This is not even a ninja. Alright, guys.
5.
Where is the last ninja, baby?
6. There.
Okay, thank you. Let's show. And here is our super rare. Oh, this guy's tight. All white. Very cool. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for joining me. If anyone knows what this one is and why it came in Toilet Ninja, let me know.
It's the bonus figure at the bottom.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know.
Okay, well, we got a bonus figure, whatever that is.
See?
Oh, bonus figure. It's so random. What is this guy? Dragon?
I don't know.
I don't know. Oh well. Okay. Well, make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video. Leave a comment down below which figure was your favorite. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!